Have you ever noticed how every alien in movies looks suspiciously human? 2 arms, 2 legs, 1 head. Eyes in front, maybe green, maybe gray, but still us in a weird costume. But think about this. What if real aliens don't have faces or bones, or even bodies as we understand them? What if the galaxy is teeming with life so strange that we wouldn't even recognize it as alive? Let's explore what life on other worlds might actually look like. And spoiler, it's going to get weird. Humans love to imagine aliens in our own image. It's called anthropomorphism. We can't help it. It's easier to picture something we already understand. Arms for shaking hands, eyes for seeing, a mouth to talk. Even science fiction plays along, from Star Trek to Avatar, because it's easier to cast humans in costumes than create something truly alien. But the universe doesn't care about our imagination. Out there, evolution plays by a whole different set of rules. And to understand what aliens might really look like, we first need to ask one question. What shapes life on a planet? Life doesn't just pop up randomly. It adapts. And everything about a planet, its gravity, atmosphere, light, temperature, and even its chemistry, decides how that life will evolve. Let's play a quick game. Imagine a planet with gravity twice as strong as Earth's. What kind of creatures do you see? Take a second. If you imagined short, thick, strong beings, bingo! Tall, fragile creatures would collapse under that gravity. So aliens there might crawl close to the ground, like muscular crabs or thick-limbed frogs. Now imagine a planet with almost no gravity, like a small moon. Creatures there might float, glide, or even grow huge, balloon-like bodies that drift in the air. And then, there are gas giants where life could exist in the clouds, like giant floating jellyfish absorbing energy from storms. Sounds crazy? Well, some scientists actually believe Jupiter's atmosphere could hide microbial or drifting life forms in its upper layers. Now picture a world orbiting a red dwarf star. Red dwarfs emit dim, reddish light, so alien plants there wouldn't be green like ours. They might be black, purple, or even copper-colored, soaking up as much light as possible. And what about the creatures that eat those plants? They might have large, light-sensitive eyes or skin that glows in the dark, as daylight would appear like a permanent sunset. Fun fact, NASA scientists believe that if life exists on such worlds, it might even see in infrared, a light we can't see at all. To them, our world might look pitch black. Let's go even further to places like Europa or Enceladus, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Beneath their frozen crusts, scientists found entire liquid oceans warmed by the planet's gravity. If life exists there, it would live in total darkness, feeding on chemicals, not sunlight. These aliens might look more like glowing squids or transparent eels, with no eyes and soft, flexible bodies. In fact, on Earth, similar creatures already exist. Deep-sea life near volcanic vents survives without sunlight, using chemosynthesis. Exactly what alien life could be doing right now, out there. And here's where it gets even wilder. What if some alien civilizations outgrew biology altogether? What if the most intelligent beings in the universe are machines not made of flesh, but metal and code? Some scientists call this idea post-biological life, advanced species that uploaded their minds into robotic bodies, roaming galaxies for millions of years after their home planets died. Think about it. If machines can survive radiation, vacuum, and time, maybe they are the ones watching us. So, next time you picture an alien, don't think of green skin and big eyes. Think of what life really means, the ability to adapt, to survive, to evolve anywhere the universe allows it. Because maybe the real aliens are nothing like us. Or maybe we're the aliens someone else is imagining right now.